Small island developing states are classified as low-lying coastal countries that share common characteristics of small size, high population densities, limited natural resources, vulnerability to hazards, threatened biodiversities, a high dependence on tourism, and limited funds as well as human resources. Meanwhile, industrial engineering is defined as the discipline of utilizing and coordinating humans, machines, and materials to attain a desired output rate with the optimum utilization of energy, money, knowledge, and time. It employs certain techniques such as floor layouts, personnel organization, time standards, wage rates, and incentive payment plans to control the quantity and quality of goods and services produced. Industrial engineers in Trinidad and Tobago serve the purpose of ensuring that maximum profit is obtained from the minimum use of natural resources. Thus, they are geared towards the state of increased efficiency which will allow for the maximum growth and development of the nation. Initially, with regard to biodiversity, the plaguing issue of deforestation and coral reef deterioration may be halted by industrial engineers. With reference to deforestation, the best solution is to perhaps curb the felling of trees by employing a series of rules and laws to govern it. In addition, reforestation can be employed by planting young trees to replace the older ones that were cut. With reference to coral reefs, only ecological or organic fertilizers should be used, coastal pollution should be reduced, and land reclamation should be prevented. To control the devastating effect of climate change, industrial engineers can make proposals to green one's commute. Since transportation is responsible for about 25% of greenhouse gas emissions within Trinidad and Tobago, citizens can be encouraged to walk, cycle, or even practice carpooling. To improve the education sector within Trinidad and Tobago, industrial engineers can introduce the concept of cooperative learning. This entails students to learn the skills of collaborating, managing emotions, and resolving conflicts. In addition, maximizing the use of technology can transform and improve almost every aspect of school. Energy is another major issue that needs to be taken into consideration. Industrial engineers should promote more economic and environmentally beneficial energy use through 1. Wind power. This produces no pollution and is renewable. 2. Solar power. This releases no water or air pollution. 3. Geothermal energy. This produces no harmful byproducts. It is small and has little effect on the natural landscape. And 4. Hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric power stations can promptly increase to full capacity, and the water used for hydropower can be reused. With regard to the health sector, industrial engineers should make proposals to have educational seminars instructing the public to condomize and engage in abstinence. In addition, trained personnel should be encouraged to come and practice their trade within the country. Also, the conducting of campaigns and placing of flyers should also raise awareness among the citizens. Most natural disasters cannot be prevented but rather mitigated. Initially, with regard to earthquakes, evacuation routes and muster points should be in place, and buildings should be constructed with shock absorbers to sway in the event. Secondly, with regard to flooding, rivers should be widened and deepened, dams should be constructed, and sustainable drainage should be employed. Finally, with regard to hurricanes, homes should be secured, and necessities which include food supplies and important documents should be kept in place. Industrial engineers can assist in fueling the tourism industry by issuing a petition to host international events where our culture can be displayed. In addition, package tours can be organized, and the existing attractions such as the Boko Reef Nylon Pool and Pitch Lake can be preserved. In retrospect, industrial engineering in Trinidad and Tobago is indeed as important to the growth and development of the country as all the other forms of engineering. It allows for reductions in wastage, impact on the environment, and loss of time and money while improving output efficiency, stimulating growth, and promoting factors of safety.